Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Benchmade Grizzly Ridge. This is a nice one. I really like the Grizzly Creek, but this is kind of the more affordable non-diamond wood version of it. And I don't know, I actually kind of like this one a little better, and I'll tell you why. So, overall length is 7.84 inches. Blade length is 3.5 inches of S30V. It's got this interesting recurve shape to it, and really nice jimping here and here for up there for when you're doing detail work, which I really appreciate. That's a nice design detail. Handle length is 4.34 inches, and it is polymer. It doesn't say what polymer, but I know that this orange stuff is G10, and this is some sort of, it's a grippy polymer material. And overall weight is 3.7 ounces. Here's your tactical clothespin for size comparison. And you've got a pocket clip for a tip-up right or left carry. And I like this one because it comes in at a lower price and it doesn't have that gut hook, which personally I wouldn't use a whole lot on the Grizzly Creek. So yeah, I think that's why I like this one better. But guys, go ahead and buy it at bladehq.com. This is the Benchmade Grizzly Ridge.